do with Skittles and M&Ms. What is that? You're asking for the word rainbow? Well, stay tuned and you'll figure it out why it's there. Hi guys, here again. So, I am going to show you the materials that we're going to need for this science experiment. The first thing is that you need 2 plates like these, okay? And then you need some Skittles and some M&Ms. And last but not least, our container with just a little bit of water, okay? All right. So we're gonna start off by putting the Skittles in the plate. Now we wanna make sure that when we put them, we're gonna put them all over the edge like that. All right, so once you put the Skittles, like I told you, we are going to put water in the center of the plate. And we're gonna watch what happens. You guys saw what happened, right? Wasn't that amazing? Now, let's try it with M&Ms and Skittles. Let's see if it has the same effect. All right, here we have our plate with the M&Ms and Skittles. You can see they look almost alike, but you can differentiate them by the letter. All right, I'm gonna pour more water than the last one to see if we get a different effect.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our social media. See you next time. Bye.